Importance of thoracic surgery awareness. Understanding thoracic surgery. Thoracic surgery focuses on treating conditions affecting organs within the thoracic cavity, including the lungs, esophagus, and other structures. It encompasses a range of procedures aimed at diagnosing and treating diseases in these vital areas of the body. Scope of thoracic surgery. From treating lung cancer to addressing esophageal disorders and thoracic trauma, the scope of thoracic surgery is broad and impactful. Specialists in this field play a critical role in managing a variety of life-threatening conditions. Need for awareness. Despite its importance, thoracic surgery often remains shrouded in misconceptions. Many people are unaware of the range of conditions it addresses or the advancements in surgical techniques that have improved outcomes for patients. By raising awareness, we can dispel myths and foster a better understanding of the field. Early detection and treatment. Awareness of thoracic surgery can lead to early detection and intervention for conditions such as lung cancer. Timely access to thoracic surgeons can significantly improve patient outcomes and survival rates. By promoting awareness, we empower individuals to seek help sooner and potentially save lives. Ensuring equitable access. While advancements in thoracic surgery have revolutionized treatment options, disparities in access still exist. Not everyone has equal access to specialized care due to various barriers, including geographical, financial, and cultural factors. Increasing awareness can fuel advocacy efforts to ensure equitable access to thoracic surgical services for all individuals, regardless of their background or circumstances. Educating healthcare providers. Enhancing awareness of thoracic surgery extends beyond the general public to healthcare providers themselves. By educating primary care physicians, nurses, and other professionals about the role of thoracic surgery in managing complex conditions, we can facilitate timely referrals and comprehensive care pathways for patients in need. In conclusion, awareness of thoracic surgery is not just a matter of knowledge, it's a matter of life and death. By understanding the scope of thoracic surgery, dispelling myths, and advocating for equitable access, we can make strides towards better healthcare outcomes for all. Let us pledge to raise awareness and support the invaluable work of thoracic surgeons in saving lives and restoring hope. Thank you. For any query regarding thoracic surgery, please consult Dr. Narendra Agrawal, Associate Director, Max Super Speciality Hospital, IP Extension, New Delhi. Contact 9582871500. Email, consultnarendra@gmail.com. Website www.lingancancersurgery.com